The Product Owner's Toolbox, Crafting Magic with User Stories. User stories are a way to capture the needs and desires of your users in a concise and meaningful way. They help you understand what your users want and why, allowing you to prioritize and plan your product development accordingly. What is a user story? A user story is a simple, yet powerful, technique for capturing user requirements. It is a short, narrative description of a specific user's goal or need, written from the user's perspective. User stories follow a simple template. As a type of user, I want a goal or need, so that benefit or value. For example, a user story for a social media app might be: as a user, I want to be able to share photos with my friends, so that I can keep them updated on my life. The benefits of user stories. Empathy. User stories help you understand your users' needs and desires, fostering empathy and enabling you to build products that truly resonate with them. Focus. User stories help you prioritize and focus on the most valuable features, ensuring that you deliver the maximum value to your users. Collaboration. User stories facilitate collaboration between the product owner, development team, and stakeholders, fostering a shared understanding of the product vision. Flexibility. User stories are flexible and can be easily modified or reprioritized as new information or feedback emerges. Crafting effective user stories. To get the most out of user stories, it's important to craft them effectively. Keep them concise. User stories should be short and to the point, focusing on the user's goal and the value it provides. Include acceptance criteria. Clearly define the acceptance criteria for each user story to ensure that the development team understands what needs to be delivered. Use personas. Personas are fictional characters that represent your target users. Use personas to add context and make your user stories more relatable. Iterate and refine. User stories are not set in stone. Continuously iterate and refine them based on feedback and new insights. Putting user stories into action. Identify your users. Who are your target users? What are their goals and needs? Brainstorm user stories. Gather your team and brainstorm user stories that capture the needs and desires of your users. Prioritize and plan. Prioritize your user stories based on their value and create a plan for development. Collaborate and iterate. Work closely with your development team and stakeholders to refine and iterate on your user stories as the product evolves. By using user stories effectively, you can unlock the magic of understanding your users and delivering products that truly delight. So, grab your product owner's toolbox and start crafting magic with user stories today.